My name is Ted Sherman. I'm the evening custodian at Mountain View Elementary. Being a custodian, you end up facilitating the education of kids in a really different way. Like, a teacher teaches them directly. We show them how to keep a place clean. If a big mess comes up, you respond and clean it up immediately. Bathroom etiquette is a big part of our job. We maintain the security of the building. Doors get locked at certain times. That's pretty clear and unavoidable. At our school we have a lot of events and parks and recreation usage, so we'll have a dancing group in the gym and yoga going in the library, and there's got to be someone here to make sure that their needs are met. You guys think it's gonna work?
Yes!
It's better work, huh? An elementary school generates an unbelievable amount of trash. We fill up a dumpster every week. Having worked in restaurants and cafes before, I know that can be a really difficult task, but leave it to 400 elementary schoolers to do it. Bathrooms get used in very interesting ways. Rooms to clean, as well as 15 bathrooms, and only 8 hours to do all that in. That's your standard job. That doesn't include all the extra work that comes up that needs to be taken care of right away, events and facilities usage. So logistics and time management that's the toughest part. I am out of gloves. Been using giant sack. The thing I enjoy most about my job is that it's essentially everything is under my control. I tackle the situations as they come and manage my own time on my own. And that's always been kind of a dream for me. Room in the building. In my free time, I like to read. I started reading as a little kid in our elementary school library. My first, I think, favorite book would have been The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien.